coolest kid in Nanga, bitch, I'm no cappy. My drip too much, this nigga versus can contain it. My nigga calls me drip, cause I'm the freshest. Nigga, I'm the illest, to them niggas don't compare me. Funny how you niggas really fight me. Always choppy, hammer back, call them nigga gossip. Every rest to make, never had no impact. Was current shot, always give me a compliment. Yeah, I don't really care what your niggas say. Me my niggas fair to take her to a promised land. God gave us a kid to bring hope to the street. If it went for that weekend, it wouldn't be a big as this. Don't make the coolest kitty, I can say that again. Niggas mentioning my name just to be relevant. They claiming they heading purpose on to dollar the share. Even anger holders could put them pop without my name.
Chasing paper on a daily, honestly it feels amazing when my dreams finds me. And niggas keep on debating, keep it hard every day. I cannot afford to lose it. For an example to these kids, inspiration came in messes. My Kansas shit, I'm always in a mix. Moving with a voodoo bro, it's so hard to believe. Fresh concepts and ideas, I'm not even selling weed. Come close enough so you understand my dream. Vision enormous, too much bars like it is the light, yeah. And the right, yeah. Implement a couple projects this time. Next, take on it, it's like I'm Audi. I got my bros around me, first class, bitch like I'm Saudi. Shit reminds me of the drugs in Nyalos Palo Pella, fresh meth into a crackhead. Kept myself humble, so God shows me what's next. Much that they be my birthday, the coolest kid, the boy, kept it real, they be capping.
Yeah, motherfuckers.
The boy now got the coolest kid.
Nah, I'm saying.
I got your music videos loading.
One time.
Thank you so much for your support. Drama Entertainment all the way.